past couple months, I've been having an intermittent P0300 random misfire code. Apparently PCV valves are an issue in this. I changed that. Now it's got about 110,000 miles on it. And when you look at the plug wires, they're still numbered. These are all factory plug wires. So these spark plugs have probably not been changed. Here's what it should look like. Nice square center electrode, about a 45 thousandths gap. When I pulled them all, this is what they look like. About an 80 thousandths gap, barely any center electrode, and barely any side electrode. So, can you leave plugs in a car for over 100,000 miles? Yes. Should you? Absolutely not.